This video will continue our discussion of the directional derivative and the gradient by an application. So a part of a certain hillside can be modeled by that function. You are at the point 3, 2, and then if we plug those x's and y's in, we can get the 3 rad 2 for a z component. At the bottom of the canyon, at the origin, there are a pack of storm chasers that are about to chase you. Find the direction of the fastest path up the hill. So from this lesson, we have found that if we take the function, first let's rewrite that function. That function is going to be 2x plus 3y squared, all to the 1/2 power, to help us think about it. And we want to find the gradient of f, because the gradient, or del f, tells me the quickest route uphill or downhill. If I throw a negative in front of it, it becomes the downhill. So to do that, we just know those are our partials for x and y. So I just need to find each one. So let's find f of x. I'm using the definition above. That 1/2 comes down. I keep what's inside, and I bring my half down by 1. Then I times by the derivative of the inside, which is a 2. That's going to cancel with my 1/2, and I'm going to get 1 over 2x plus 3y squared. All right, we're going to do the same thing for f of y, or the derivative of f with respect to y. The 1/2 power comes down just the same. Keep the same on the inside, go down to a -1/2. This is the part it changes. I want the partial derivative of the inside with respect to y. That's just going to be a 6y. If I do 6 divided by 2, I got a 3y. And I got that over the square root of 2x plus 3y squared. I'm not going to rewrite my gradient. I'm just going to go ahead and write the answer. I'm going to plug in 3 for x and 2 for y. And I'm going to throw each component just like that top line at the screen there that I wrote. There. I'm just going to fill in each part when I plug it in. So I got 1 over, and it ends up being the square root of 18 when you plug those in, comma, and then it's 6 over the square root of 18. Could probably clean up my square roots a little bit, I guess. It's not much better. There we go. So if I'm standing at 3, 2, and I go 1 over square root of 18 in the x direction, and 6 over square root of 18 in the y direction, that is the fastest way uphill from 3, 2.